Hey YouTube, it is Miss Truck Diva coming at you with a quick little video. Just sharing a little hack I've been doing recently since we're still living in this pandemic. Want to see what I'm doing? Stay tuned. Hey YouTube. Okay, so today I'm doing a quick little hack on lipstick pencil, lip liner pencil. Okay, so I ordered this lip gloss pencil from this young lady by the name of Aida, and this is her, I hope you guys can see it, ATM Beauty. Okay, and this happens to be blackberry. I hope you guys can see that as well, and it goes with her lip gloss that matches this color. So I been kind of like not want to waste my money of keep using it and then putting on a mask, even though there's a protector that came in with her gift to like protect your it's like a little plastic crate, if you will, that molds around your lip and you can protect your lipstick, and that's all good and dandy. But listen, when you're in life and you are rushing from one thing to another, you just want to do whatever you can to make you feel better, remind you that you're a woman, and keep it moving. So what I've been doing is, and this is what it looks like. The color, it's really pretty. So what I've been doing is outlining my lips. Just like, you know, and I'm the old school chick that is quick to put lipstick and then black lip liner or dark brown lip liner around my lip and bring it all together. But I've been doing this little trick, and then I bring my lips together. And you can really do this with any of your lip pencils. I know some people who just wear lip pencils and kind of keep it moving. I've seen tutorials on that. So I do that, right? If I want a little bit more, I'll add a little bit more, right? And it's a good face exercise when you're rubbing your lips. And so once you do that, then I put on a little lip gloss. If I don't have lip gloss right now, but what I do have is this Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips. So it happens to be a little rosy and a little red to match this color that I have on. But I do this just to moisturize my lips. I don't know what I just did with the cap. You know, and there it is. Okay, hope you guys can see that. And then I apply it, right, to moisturize my lips with the pencil. And there you go. A little color on my face, a little color on my lips. Something that says, hey, Pia, you're still a female. So I just wanted to share that little quick hack with you guys. If you ever you're running out, you're doing errands, and you don't want to waste your money putting on your expensive lipstick, your expensive lip gloss, so on and so forth, your expensive makeup, but you want something that just says, hey, A, my lips need to be moisturized, right? B, I am a female. C, I want to kind of look good and make myself feel good and look good, you know, then do this little hack. I hope it helps somebody out there. I hope it's a little aha moment, because that's all I like to do is little aha moments and eye openers for some people and help them to think out of their box. I hope you guys have a beautiful Thursday afternoon and a beautiful Thursday period. Take care. Bye. See you soon.